y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing for weekly automotive mechanical content for the average shade tree mechanic. Alright gents, so in this video what I'm going to be doing is actually upgrading the bulb of the reverse tail light and transitioning into an LED. If you have not watched the previous video replacing the cargo light bulb with an LED, I'll go ahead and post the link in the top right. Go ahead and check that out, come right back and finish out this video. Alright, so this one's very much straightforward. Like I mentioned in the previous video, why I'm going LED compared to sticking with the yellowish halogen bulb for several reasons. This one's brighter, it looks cleaner. I want to get away from the yellowish look. I think those three reasons really encourage people to actually transition to LEDs. So cargo lights have been replaced. Those look phenomenal. I replaced the rear license plate bulbs with LEDs. Now the LEDs have a specific color, really like 5500 in between 6500K light that they really push out. Comparing the LED to a halogen bulb, the yellowish compared to the, say, a 6000K LED bulb, it looks quite different. I think the LEDs look much cleaner, push out a whole lot more light with less power. I already have this disassembled, so once I actually replace these bulbs, everything would really match. And then, you know, obviously going into reverse, they'll actually be brighter just in case someone fails to not see my reverse lights on. Will now be able to see them, if not maybe blind them. All right, so that will give them that chance to actually stop, just you know, prevent any future issues or past issues. So this is why I'm actually upgrading the bulbs. This one's very straightforward. Let's go ahead and jump into the job. Alright, so what you're going to need for this, obviously you need the bulbs of your choice. If you are interested in the same bulb that I'm using, I'll go ahead and post the link in the description below. It is 2200 lumens. It's the same exact bulb that I used for the cargo light upgrade. Alright, so I want them to match, and these lights aren't on all the time, so it's best that they're bright. I believe the stock is 400 or 900 lumen. These are 2200. So T25 Torx Allen wrench right there. If you have a drill bit of a T25, which is what I used, feel free to do that. Alright, so first step. So what you're going to do is actually see these two bolts. Here's one and then there's a second one. Alright, it's really going to be right there, and there's another one right here. Go ahead and use that T25 and actually loosen up these two screws, remove them, put them off to the side. Alright, so your tail light will still be up. Alright, and essentially there's two tabs, and what you're going to do is you're going to feel some fighting. That's alright, because there are two tabs behind here, and let me show you how they're actually secured so that you're not pulling in a different direction. Alright, so as you can see, circular connection, so there's no tabs, but really they link in right here. So really, if you pull straight back, you cannot break these tabs, or this this clip right there. Two of them. Now let's move into actually replacing the bulb. So obviously it's in the bottom portion. What we're going to do is actually remove counterclockwise right there, that bottom gray portion, and pull out the bulb and go ahead and replace it. So let me go ahead and do that real quick. Alright, so here's the stock bulb, just a simple halogen bulb. Alright, I went ahead and removed this tab just so that I can put that off to the side and actually clean the portion that it actually touches the paint. There's a bunch of dirt, so if you're like me, you just want to keep everything clean, especially since I don't plan on moving these around anytime soon, although wouldn't mind having some new tail lights. So let me go ahead and remove this and throw in one of these and actually turn on the lights and actually see it in action. Alright, so as y'all saw, worked great. I'm just going to go ahead and clip this in, go ahead and coat this one in, throw in the tail light, and throw in those two screws. Very simple reassembly. Let me go ahead and do that real quick. Alright guys, so I went ahead, reinstalled the tail light. Everything looks good, everything fit great. One thing I wanted to mention before you watch another video, go ahead and check out the video in the top right. Right now it's just going over how I upgraded my rear license plate bulbs to LEDs, and I think that's a really neat upgrade. Looks really nice. So feel free to check that out. Send me any question or comments that you have. If you like the video, please press the like. Until next time, ciao.
Perfect. Perfect.